In 2010, when he opted to investigate events leading to the 2007-2008 post-election skirmishes, the then ICC prosecutor Luis Moreno Ocampo promised robust prosecution against alleged perpetrators and financiers of the chaos to serve as a lesson for other would-be warlords. But 4 years later, the cases he had initiated against 6 Kenyan suspects collapsed in quick succession, dashing hopes for justice for the post-election violence victims. 3 years after the cases came a cropper, an investigation by European media partners unearthed what was termed a judicial fiasco that puts Ocampo on the spot for shoddy and rushed investigations.
I never will explain to you who is my witness and how I protect them.
The investigation also revealed that to cover up for his own poor job, Ocampo, after leaving the ICC, had initiated a secret campaign to drop the charges against Kenyatta through a deal he described as an honorable exit. For Ocampo, as revealed by the Mediapart probe, was about saving his image and that of the ICC prosecution team after realizing that the cases he had filed were anchored on weak evidence that could not meet the threshold for proving culpability on any of the suspects. Even after leaving the ICC, Ocampo, the probe revealed, continued to closely follow events on the Kenyan cases, with Sarah Crisitelli, a prosecution lawyer, being his contact person. Through Crisitelli, Ocampo advised his successor Fatu Bensouda to shift the blame for the weak cases to the Kenyan government for allegedly failing to cooperate while keeping the cases open to save his face and the court from the embarrassment of having the cases dismissed for lack of evidence. Ocampo is alleged to have contacted former United Nations Secretary General Kofi Annan in October 2013 to find an exit for Kenyatta, following the Kenyan government's pressure at the UN Security Council and the Assembly of State Parties for termination of the cases for lack of evidence, a plan that seemed to pay off after Ocampo's meeting with Kenya's top envoy in New York, Macharia Kamau, in December 2013. 2 months later, Bensouda convinced the trial judges to postpone Kenyatta's trial for alleged lack of cooperation by the Kenyan government. Kenyatta's charges were withdrawn in December 2014, and 5 months later, his deputy William Ruto and former broadcaster Joshua Arap Sang were cleared of the charges. Francis Gashuri, Citizen Weekend.